Okay, Rams, we're in our second ClassLink tutorial. The first tutorial showed us how to access ClassLink. This is how you do some basic editing, and you'll have everything come from there. You have to be in edit mode, and up here at the top, I'm in ClassLink, and at the top, you've got search, and right next to search is the edit mode. Just mouse over it, left click, you're in edit mode. You've got create, icon style, icon size, font size, themes, and wallpaper. In create, you got new app, new folder. Let's discuss the top. Icon style can either be square or round. I prefer square, so I'm going to leave it there at square. Icon size is small, medium, and large. Font size is small, medium, and large. You have to remember when you size your icons, they're harder to see when they're smaller. I had a student the other day ask me about a site they couldn't find, and to be honest with you, I had a hard time seeing it myself. So, and the larger, you don't really need it. I'm saying, and this is what I use, is medium on both. I can see this fairly well. Not perfect, but it's okay, and it's going to look good. The theme is at the top. Change it any color you like orange. And then the wallpaper, you can customize it. You do pictures, so you have to be careful with the background and make sure you got good contrast so you can read your icons. I'm going to leave mine orange and purple. So let's go to create. Now, if you mouse over an icon, you see the lock in the upper right hand corner. These are the icons the district has pushed out. These cannot be deleted. So we got to leave them in here. But let's go to Learn 360, and all these icons are in alphabetical order, so you may have to scroll down to find yours. In Learn 360, the district's no longer using this device, but it's still here, so we don't really need it. So what I want to do is create a junk folder. And for no better word, I don't think we'll be using that term anymore, so I'm going to go to New. Junk folder. Hit save. And when I did that, it came up right here. And the edit, I can go in and edit. I can make it any color I want. I want it a neutral color. So I'll click it blue. Save. It goes back to blue. Now this Learn 360, we're not going to use it. The district's not using this anymore, so I'm going to left click and mouse over. It's going to get smaller. Now I can drag it anywhere I want to. So I'm going to come down. I'm going to get smaller, put here. Now, the Learn 360, I haven't gotten rid of. It's in a junk folder. We may have some more like this later that we don't know about. But now I have it hidden. If I ever need to go back to it, all I need to do is go into the junk folder. If I can't find it here, just check my junk folder. Now, I discussed in an earlier tutorial that I like to keep everything I use at the top that I use the most. Well, we're going to be using Google a good bit. And I've got a lot of Google apps. I went and found Google Forms. I'm going to show you in a minute how to do that because we're going to have to go find. I want to make me another folder, and I want to call it Google Apps. I go to Create, New Folder, Google Apps. And I believe I'm going to make this one the same color. Let's see what colors we got. Make it a little bit darker blue. Hit save. I've got a folder for Google Apps. And all I need to do, just like I did with the Learn 360, I mouse over it. I don't mean to open it. Just mouse over it. Grab it. Pull it in. Just mouse over it, grab it. Things I'll be using. Now Google Calendar, I don't want to put in here, and I want to move these down. I want these two at the front. I want everything on the top I'm going to be using a lot. Google Earth I'm not going to be using, so let's grab that and put it in. Well, when I grab it, I've got to wait till it minimizes. Now I can drop it in. So I'm going to Google. I haven't deleted anything, but I've got a folder I can go to. One more program that we're going to be using a lot is going to be Google Sheets. So we need to go find the app for that. I go to Create, New App. You're going to go to Create, New App. I click on it. This is the app library. We'll go to my search, Google Sheets. Press Enter. And here we are. It's got it. All I need to do is hit Add. App added successfully. Come out and look. And here it is. Notice when I mouse over it, it's got a red X. That's something I put in there I can delete. Left click. Grab it. When it gets smaller, drop it in. I've now got 5 apps here. And click on Open at any time. I can go in there. And this is the basic edit. To do anything, I cannot do this in edit mode. It has to be, now it's not an edit. I can't move anything not supposed to. It opens up. It goes back to where it was, but I did move that. But I don't want to open that. So, this is the basic editing programs. I hope you enjoy this tutorial.